Hey everyone, so very exciting news today. My Ocean Medallions for the cruise came, and I thought I'd do a little video of opening it. So let's take a look. Not only did I get a medallion, but I also bought the sustainable wristband and a special logo, and I can't even remember what the logo is because I ordered it 3 months ago almost. So here's the box, and here's my medallion app, or not app. Oh, it's just in a shipping box and it comes in a bigger box. Woohoo! 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 Thank you. Oh boy, look at all these things you have to open. So here's my medallion. Hey, I forgot about this. So it says my name and has some kind of logo. I don't recognize the logo, so I can't remember what it was. But there you see, and it just pops out. It's magnetic. So, up close view. And let's see. Got some other things in here. There's a little box and it says Sport Band. So I do remember I got blue. Oops, it's a little windy out today. Came outside to do it. So a nice little wristband. It's it says it's sustainable. I don't know what the material is, but at least it's got to be some sort of recycled material. So there, and the medallion just pops right inside. Popped in, very secure. Will go on my wrist. That'll be really convenient and awesome to use. What else? This is the lanyard, which I guess is standard for them to send. So just a white lanyard to hang around your neck or from a bag or something. I don't know what this is. This is, I think it's empty. Yeah, empty. So that was nice. It all came in a nice little box. With this colored insert, I guess, to get you all excited about your trip, start your fun, explore your world, maximize your experience, and amplify your vacation. So, woohoo! Anyway, that's the medallion unboxing that I wanted to record. So, thanks very much for watching, and cruise departs 2 weeks from Thursday, and I'm excited to share the journey with you. So, stay tuned. See y'all soon.